Hey everyone, in this quick video, let's talk about some major updates from Microsoft. AI Builder credits are being phased out, and everything is moving to Copilot credits. Microsoft is discontinuing AI Builder credits, and they'll no longer be supported. After this date, you can't buy AI Builder credits anymore. The free credits that came with Power Platform Premium licenses are going away. That means no more free AI capacity for small proof of concepts or demos. All AI Builder features, like document processing, form extraction, and text recognition, will now consume Copilot credits. Copilot credits are not included in existing Power Platform licenses. You'll need to buy them separately. Old AI Builder Capacity Pack, $500 a month for 1 million credits. New Copilot Credit Pack, $200 a month for 25,000 credits. That's a huge difference. The cost per document page jumps to about 0.064, 8 credits per page. So if you're using AI Builder in your apps or flows in your tenant, it's time to plan your transition to Copilot credits and revisit your cost estimates. If you think this information is helpful, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Let's meet again with another video. Bye for now.